These 50 US road signs appear on every DMV driving test. Memorize them and success is guaranteed. Okay, let's get into it. Identify this road sign. Excellent. That's a school zone sign. Guess this traffic sign. Good catch. That's a no stopping sign. What is this road sign? Great start. This sign says do not enter. Identify this traffic sign. You've got it. That's a no parking sign. Which road sign is this? Nicely done. That's a yield sign. Guess this road sign. Exactly right. That's a pedestrian's crossing sign. Identify this traffic sign. Well done. You're looking at a no U-turn sign. Guess this road sign. You're right. That's a roundabout sign. Which US road sign is this? You got it. We call this a stop sign. Identify this road sign. Excellent awareness. This marks a parking area. Guess this road sign. Excellent awareness. This sign warns of a traffic light ahead. Identify this traffic sign. You're correct. This means yield sign ahead. Which road sign is this? Great job. That's a speed limit sign. Guess this traffic sign. Great observation. This means railroad crossing ahead. Identify this road sign. Nicely done. This is a no left turn sign. Guess this traffic sign. Good observation. This means two-way traffic ahead. Identify this traffic sign. Exactly. This means straight through only. Guess this road sign. Nicely spotted. That's a handicapped sign. Which traffic sign is this? Nicely recognized. This is a stop sign ahead. Identify this road sign. Nicely spotted. That's a deer crossing sign. Guess this traffic sign. Exactly. This sign warns of a steep grade hill. Identify this road sign. Correct. That's a no right turn sign. Which traffic sign is this? Excellent. That's a workers ahead warning. Guess this road sign. Perfect. This is a crossroad sign. Identify this traffic sign. Nicely recognized. That's a slippery when wet sign. Guess this road sign. Great awareness. This means flagger ahead. Identify this road sign. Great job. This sign means right turn only. Which traffic sign is this? Exactly. This is a narrow underpass sign. Guess this traffic sign. You got it. This one shows speed limit ahead. Identify this road sign. Right again. That's a railroad crossing sign. Guess this road sign. Good eye. That's a left curve warning. Identify this traffic sign. Great work. That's an added right lane sign. Guess this road sign. Great job. This one means winding road ahead. Identify this traffic sign. Good recognition. This marks a one-way right. Guess this road sign. You're right. This one marks a snowmobile crossing. Identify this traffic sign. Great attention. This is a narrow bridge warning. Guess this road sign. Excellent awareness. This sign designates an emergency vehicle area. Identify this traffic sign. That's correct. This means no straight through. Guess this road sign. Well spotted. This means divided highway ends. Identify this traffic sign. Well spotted. This is a wrong way sign. Guess this road sign. Nicely spotted. This one tells you to keep left of obstacles. Identify this traffic sign. Well noticed. This shows a bicycle route. Guess this road sign. Exactly right. This one means road narrows ahead. Identify this traffic sign. Good job. That's a curve right warning. Guess this road sign. Good eye. That's a chevron left sign. Identify this traffic sign. Well done. This marks a reverse curve left. Guess this road sign. Nicely done. That's a divided highway begins sign. Identify this traffic sign. Perfect. That's a state route marker, 2 digits. Guess this road sign. Great job. That's a reverse turn, right sign. Identify this traffic sign. Exactly. That's a ramp speed advisory sign. Great job making it to the end. If you want to keep building your DMV road sign knowledge, hit subscribe for more DMV practice quizzes and tips every week. Tap one of the videos on your screen to keep testing yourself. You're closer than ever to passing your test.